Hey, my name's Anth, and I think I'm refreshingly normal. And this is my 2-year-old cockapoo Sammy. We've just bought a motorhome. We've never owned one before, and we've no idea what we're doing. So come join us on our Great British motorhome adventure. Morning. How's this for a view? So here we are, Bleetown Farm. Lovely little campsite actually. Literally a garden in a farmer's field. This is the views we woke up to this morning. Forecast to be 19 degrees today, and we're just a little bit east of Carlisle, so the last stop in England before crossing the border into Hadrians land. So yeah, so Sammy and I have just woken up. I haven't, he has, and gonna go for a short geocaching walk. I know there's one about 1 kilometre down on Hadrians wall path, so we're gonna give that a go this morning as part of a walk. Sammy, you come in? Come on then. Oh, you got yourself stuck as usual. There you go. Come on then. Sammy likes the feel of the long grass and jumping in and out of it. And Hadrian's wall is just over by that tree line. And I'm looking for the cache that's on screen now. This just goes to show how flat Essex is. As the cloud lifts, you can just make out the top of one of the Pennine Hills, or there's somebody off on their holidays. That was Sammy yanking on the lead again. So here we are, walking the Hadrian's wall pathway. It's a beautiful morning. Bit of a chill in the air, but felt that in the showers this morning. The showers were nice, I mean, it looks like a portal cabin and basic, but it's all plumbed and working, but I don't think it has heating, so getting out of the shower needed to be a bit brave. And over there is our camper van. So let's see if we can find this geocache. A plane just taken off from the local airstrip. It's pretty cool. Although not quite as cool as that. Sam's walking alone today. So there we go. Hadrian's Wall Path National Trail. And just in case you needed further proof, Hadrian's Wall Path, and this I think is ground zero for the cache, so I'm gonna have a look around. And there we have it, an easy spot in the foliage of the tree there. I think that's where I thought it might be, so it shows you how good I am at geocaching. And hopefully you can see the little Samaloo, and he's tied up because there was no way I was going to get him over that stile and across that footbridge without disaster, so he's being very patient. See what I mean? That would have been a nightmare. I know, bub, but you couldn't join me on that last little bit. I'm coming back now though. I mean, what's not to love about motorhoming when you get days like this? I mean, I'm someone who, I just can't stay indoors, so I have to be out and about. That's why I always wanted to get a dog, even if we did get one 10 years earlier than I was expecting. So yeah, so me and Sam normally get out walking around locally, use geocaches as a reason to do it. Obviously if it's past 12 o'clock, use drinking establishments as a destination, because as we know, all good walks end at A. And in the meantime, Mrs. G's in the van doing what she likes, which is getting it prepped and ready for moving on. Tonight we're staying at Bleckensop Inn, I think, which is about 15 miles up the road, and the picture of it on search for sites looked amazing, of the views it had. So tonight will be our last stop in England before heading off over the border. So fast, so good. Keep smiling. Sam, did you like that walk, Ends? One of our many farm shop purchases, I'm sure. Dragon's Breath chutney. Lovely. Evidence, if it was ever needed, that it's not always grim up north. Having a good time. Keep smiling.